Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nera, and in this video, I will show you how to enable root access on your VPS server. Apart from DigitalOcean, if you use any VPS like OVH, Contabo, or AWS, the default username you get is different for each. For example, in OVH you get CentOS, in some you get admin, in AWS you get EC2 user, and in some, you get Ubuntu. So, we need to convert that to a root user. Because the username given here is CentOS, we can install our main mail server on it. We need root access, so I'll show you how to get root access. That's what I'll explain in this video. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. I provide all the information related to email marketing servers here. If you face any issues, you can contact me on WhatsApp. You can also hire me to set up a server for you. So, let's begin by logging in. First, you need to open PuTTY to access the root here. This is the IP address. Paste it and click Open. After opening this, you need to enter the username CentOS. Enter your password here. First, you need to run this command, sudo password root. I'll do this here. Now, enter whatever password you want to set for the root user. I'll use the same password here. After this, you need to update a file. The file is in this folder. It should look like this. I'll copy this command and paste it here, then press enter. You'll get this error, sudo nano, command not found, because nano is an editor that needs to be installed. The editor allows you to open and edit that file within the terminal itself. Here's the command to install nano. If this command doesn't work for you, you can use this alternative command which works in Ubuntu and CentOS. After installing it, I'll copy the command again. And paste it here. Press enter. The file has opened here. You can see it says /etc/ssh/sshd_config at the top. You need to scroll down and look for permit root login. You'll need to change the slide. The hashtag symbol that's placed here needs to be removed. I'll move the cursor here and press the delete button. After that, I need to scroll down. There will be a line that says password authentication. It was set to no. If it's there, you need to change it to yes. In this case, it's already set, so we'll leave it. There was only one change needed, which is allowing root login. I'll show you here as well. These two things need to be done. If permit root login is set to no here, change it to yes. In some versions, it might not be there, so you'll need to add it. After making these changes, press Ctrl+X on your keyboard. Then press Y to confirm the changes and hit enter. After this, you need to run the command sudo service sshd reload because you've made changes to the file, so it needs to be restarted. I'll enter this command and press enter. Now the file has been successfully edited and everything is done. I'll close this window, click OK, and then open PuTTY again. I've opened PuTTY in my IP is this. Now I'll log in as root here. Username is root and the password is what we set earlier. Right-click to paste it. See, I'm logged in here. The root access I wanted is now complete. I want to tell you one more thing. Please subscribe to my channel. When installing BestCP on CentOS 7, some errors might occur. If you have an OVH VPS, when you purchase it, there's an option called Distribution. In that, you're given BestCP in some pre-installed apps. If you select the BestCP option, you'll find BestCP already installed on your server, so you don't even have to install it. And you won't face any errors as it's already installed. Look here, CentOS 7 is my distribution. If you selected CentOS, you need to click on this checkbox here and click on Reinstall My VPS. When you click on Reinstall My VPS, options will appear. Whatever application you install with CentOS 7, it will provide for free. Once it's completed, an option will open here, and you'll need to configure it. Then the details of BestCP will be sent to your email, just like this one, your BestCP installation details. It will come in the same way. So, for Reinstall My VPS, select your operating system here. Look here, CentOS 7 BestCP. There's a price for cPanel, but BestCP is free as it's open source. You can use it for web hosting, WordPress, etc. If you want to do it professionally, it can be done. So, select CentOS 7 BestCP and click on Confirm. After some time, once it's completed, you'll receive the details in your email. I have an old one, so I'll show you that. Here, I'll search for the email. This is how you'll get the details. Look here, the server details have arrived. You'll see CentOS, the IP address, username, and password. You'll get it here, and the BestCP username and password can be found here. They'll provide all the information in your email. So you won't face any problems installing BestCP on CentOS 7. This is the best solution for it. That's all for this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe.